Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing an HDMI cable, and I know that seems a bit absurd, but this is not just an average HDMI cable. This is the Marseille mCable Gaming Edition, which actually costs $130 US. So yeah, that's expensive for an HDMI cable, and you might be thinking that's, some kind of snake oil, because you see all these, these audio companies, cable companies, they all sell these really, really expensive cables in their shops online. So, I mean, if you go deep into the audiophile stuff, right, you can always find these cable companies. They sell their cables for hundreds or thousands of dollars, right? Talking like AudioQuest, and if you go into like really high end, you'll see like companies like Nordost or Shunyata or Cardias, like those kind of companies, and they sell their cables. Wire World is another one. They sell their cables for thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, well, I'm not gonna say those cables are a great deal or anything like that. People are willing to spend their money however they choose to, however they wish. But for me, I'm not going to spend my money on cables that have the very subjective, sound quality stuff. For me, if I'm going to be spending like this much money on a HDMI cable, with digital interface no less, right? People think that digital is always ones and zeros, so it shouldn't make a difference. This one actually has technology backing it. So I didn't just buy an HDMI cable because of, some AudioQuest marketing BS stuff, right? No snake oil stuff here. They actually have chips inside of here. That's why the cable's so thick. It actually has chips in here to enhance the experience. So in this case, they have a cinema edition as well, which I guess enhances the video quality. But for the gaming edition, they have a special processor inside of this cable to actually enhance the gaming quality, which I think according to them, they actually put some anti-aliasing type technology on here. So yeah, anti-aliasing, of course you'll get the 4K 60 FPS. They say depth of field and color processing is improved as well. I'm not sure about that, but the thing is, I think there is some anti-aliasing technology built into the chip here. So I think it's worth to give it a try. I've actually had this cable for a few years. And yeah, you can see this one is a bit worn out. I always wanted to do a review on it, actually a demo, because people will probably not believe you and say, oh, I spent $130 on the HDMI cable and it actually makes a difference. They're not going to believe you, right? They think that's just some snake oil crap. Well, this one is a bit different. In fact, it's powered. I'll show you. That's one of the things you can tell that's a bit different than the other HDMI cables here. It's powered with a USB port, so you actually need to power this HDMI cable with a USB power. So it tells you that there's something else going on, right? It's not just your standard marketing snake oil HDMI cable. There is something going on here. There is technology inside of this cable. This cable is directional as well, so this end has to go to the TV and then this end has to plug into the source. So don't ask me why that is. I think there might be something to do with the way that this is designed. I know it seems silly that this HDMI cable is directional, but anyways, it is. So this part is labeled TV and this part goes to the source. So yeah, in order to test this, right, I'm gonna be using something. I think it works best with something that has low res content, and then when it upscales, you guys can really see the anti-aliasing effect. So I'll be using my PlayStation TV, which I actually haven't used this for a long time. This is the first time I've been using my PlayStation TV in a while. The PlayStation TV is basically a way to play PlayStation Vita games on a home display or TV. So I have this plugged into my Gimes portable monitor. So this is where I'll be, where you guys will be seeing it. Actually, here we go. Yeah, so yeah, I'll be testing this and demonstrating this with a standard HDMI cable. This is just a standard run-of-the-mill HDMI cable that you can get from anywhere. And then I'll be A/Bing it against the mCable so you guys can maybe see the difference here. So yeah, let's plug it in. I have my PlayStation TV on right now. I'll plug into this monitor. I'll just play a game, and these are PlayStation Vita games. So they will actually be upscaled using the PlayStation TV. And I think that's where actually the mCable works its magic the best, is when you play like kind of upscaled stuff. Like you might see some differences in, like say you use it with your PS4, PS5, sure, there might be differences. But I think the differences will definitely be bigger if you use like, yeah, more retro content, I'm guessing. So yeah, anyways, do that. Okay, So here we go. This is PlayStation TV. A bit more so you guys can see. Okay. There we go. So the PlayStation Vita, actually it's natively 720. So this will actually be upscaled right now to 1080. So this display is 1080. So just play this game right now, the Senran Kagura Estival Versus. I think it's best to use a game that has this kind of this is like a cell shaded graphics, right? You guys can tell better if it's cell shaded. So yeah, I'm just gonna play a bit using the standard HDMI cable, and then I'm gonna switch to the mCable, and then yeah, we can see it in action. And actually, maybe I'll have it side by side. Okay. Take this one. Just play a mission. Been a while since I played this game, actually. 忍びの定めは死の定め。Oh, this is the anime. Okay. Cool. Watch a bit of this.
願わくは別の場所、別の時代、別の時間において幸せな人生を。良きよ。お姉ちゃんに触らないで。おお、お前たちは。
Okay, so yeah, for this part, I'm going to actually have this side by side with the mCable, so you guys see if you guys can tell a difference. But this is using, yeah, so I'll have one side be the typical HDMI, standard HDMI cable, and another side be the mCable gaming edition. So you guys can see. All right, cool, cool.
見たことのない忍びたちだったけど、まあいいや。今よし行こう。なんか乗り気じゃない？うるさいうるさい。そっかね。せーの、ガチャガチャガチャガチャ。だったらどんな問題なそれは心の準備。いいかったく。そんなことないもん。あんたがそんな調子。おい曜日ちゃん、その一人うるさいうるさい。病気お姉ちゃん、姉さん、今さらどんな顔で会えばいいのよ。ここはどこなの？ りょうびちゃん、りょうなちゃん、お久しぶり。それは永遠に忘れない。お姉ちゃん生き返っちゃいました。永遠に忘れることができない奇跡のような8日間が始まりでした。どこかの遠くにあるという天国みたいな島でも足りない真夏の太陽輝く青い空澄み渡る青い海ヤシの木も優しく揺れる場所探し出して欲しいから見つけてくれないかな。この歌が聞こえたのならすぐにここに来てお願い。ハッピーシャー空と海の間にある水平線が目印。私はずっと君のこと待ってる。ハッピーです優しく私を捕まえて世界の果てを目指してここからの夏二人だけの場所やっと会える喜び胸に両手で抱きしめるの君を。
Yeah, so did you guys notice the difference? At least for me, I think there is a bit of a difference. The mCable does have some anti-aliasing properties. It's almost equivalent to setting it to like 4 times or 8 times anti-aliasing, I think. Yeah, to me, the mCable, the image is just a little bit sharper. Like it's, yeah, it's again a subtle difference, but it is noticeable to me. It is a little bit sharper compared to the regular HDMI cable because of the anti-aliasing effects. And that's what makes this HDMI cable actually not, you know, snake oil like the other high-priced HDMI cables are. And it's actually not even that high price. $130 may seem like a lot for a HDMI cable, but honestly, if you look at those other companies I mentioned, you know, like Wire World and Nordost and Cardius, like in AudioQuest, like they charge they can charge thousands of dollars for HDMI cables, right? Which is ridiculous. Yeah, so a lot of these high-end cable companies, like they're just crazy, and they don't have this kind of electronic circuit actually built in, or chip actually built into the cable themselves. So yeah, take it for what you will. I do think that this cable does make a difference. Now, is it worth the money? Again, not sure. Like, you know, regular HDMI cable is like, you know, a couple bucks. So again, 130 is a lot of money. But I will say that it actually does something, right? It's not like the other HDMI cables, which are just like high-priced HDMI cables are usually like snake oil, right? But this one actually does something. So yeah, let me know if you guys can actually see a difference between those two in the comment section below. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the mCable.